So it's day after Christmas, and I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but we always get a ton of boxes, and this isn't a lot. I only have one garbage can, so my plan is to see if the wood chipper can shrink down some of my problem. All these will fit into my trash can now. Hey, if you got Christmas boxes and you got a wood chipper, you can get rid of it. I recommend everything be biodegradable, because with this wind, I ain't never gonna get all this stuff up. Thanks for watching.